So, dear student, exercise 4.3, it's a question one says, draw the graph of the following linear equations in two variables. Okay. The first equation which we are given is x plus y equal to 4. Dear student, here x and y, these two different variables are there. That's why this is the equation of two variables. Got it? Now there are two options. Either we can make a subject to x. If not, then we can go with y. So I need to make a subject x here. So suppose I am choosing x here, then I need to shift this variable to that side. So it will become x equal to 4 minus 1. Got it? So this is the equation which we have. Now for the different value of y, we will have the value of x. So how to solve? Let's see. So for the different value, we need to choose any value of our own choice. At least 3 or 4 values you need to choose. Okay. So dear student, I need to say here, suppose I am choosing 0. 4 minus 0, 4, 1, 4 minus 1, 3, 2, 4 minus 2, 2, 3, 4 minus 3, that is 1. So, dear student, whatever the answers we are gaining, it's compulsory to mention it in a tabular form. It will be very easy and convenient to draw this way. This is the nice technique. If you draw this way, if you go with this technique, then damn sure everything, whatever you locate the point on a graph paper, all will be easy to locate on it. So first of all, I request you to draw the line and make this table. How many? 4 different values we have taken. So I am choosing here 4 columns and this extra column for x and y. So what I need to write here, this is x and this is y. Dear student, be careful while inserting the value in a table. Reason behind it, this we are choosing 0 for y. So y 0, then the value of x we got, that is 4. For 1, we got the value of x3. For 2, we got the value of x2. For 3, we got the value of x1. So this is the tabular form. Clear to you? Now, the next step, what we have to do, let's see. So dear student, after this making this tabular form, we need to write this step. Immediately after drawing this table, we need to locate 4, 0. These are the coordinates 4, 0, 3, 1, 2, 2, and 1, 3 on a graph paper. On a graph paper. These points we need to locate on a graph paper. Now let's locate this point. Be ready. Now we are going to locate 4, 0, 3, 1, 2, 2, 1, 3 on the graph paper. Dear student, you can see here all the way 4, 0. Here 0 is connected with y-axis. So this point will lie on x-axis here. These points, all the way they are positive. So they must lie in a first quadrant. So it defines that, it indicating that all the way our graph will lie in the first quadrant. So let's begin. So first of all, I ask you to draw a straight line. Okay, that is called horizontal line. Sorry, this is vertical line. this is vertical line I have drawn here, and here it is horizontal line I am drawing. You can see this is horizontal line. Horizontal line is known as x-axis, you know. So I am mentioning this is x, this is x dash axis, this is y, and this is y dash axis. Very simple. Now further we need to locate the points on this. Okay, which points are there? We are going to locate it here. This is 0, origin O. Here it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Similarly here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Like that you have to take the points. Okay. Now carefully we will locate these points on a graph paper. First is 4, comma 0, which lie on x-axis, and it will be located here somewhere. So please locate 4, comma 0. Second is 3, comma 1. I have here 3 on x-axis and 1 from y-axis. So here it will be somewhere 3, comma 1. Third is 2, comma 2. 2 is here, 2 is here. So I need to locate this point 2, comma 2 here. Got it? Then 1, comma 3. 1 is here and 3 is here. So I need to locate this point here 1, comma 3. I hope it's clear to you how to locate the point. Now let's join all the points, and this point, if I extend this way, extend the line this way, then this line is indicating the line's graph of x plus y equal to 4. This line is the graph for x plus y equal to 4. Dear student, here in this case, no need to mention the scale, because all the way we are using Cartesian plane, and 1 unit we are choosing on x-axis and y-axis. This is the complete solution of first part of question number 1. Clear to you? So the second part of question 1, in that we are given equation x minus y equal to 2. Dear student, again it is the equation of two variable. First step, we need to make a subject. So I would like to make a subject to x here. Then I need to bring y to the left side, right side. So I need to have the equation will be in this way: x equal to 2 plus y. Agree? Now, for the different value of x, different value of y, we will have the different value of x. So let's do that. Very simple, very easy, nothing to do. All the way these questions are quite easy and interesting also. Almost all these students, they are able to do so. Now, for the different value of y, in that let me choose 0 first. 2 plus 0, 2. I am choosing 1 here. So 2 plus 1, it will be 3. Here I am choosing 2. So 2 plus 2, 4. Even you can choose negative also. Okay, let me choose one negative point also. So suppose I am choosing minus 1, then 2 minus 1, that gives the result only 1. Now, as usual, after gaining this four different value, we need to show them to the tabular form. Okay, we need to locate all these points on a graph paper, and before we locate it on a graph paper, we need to show all these points in a tabular form. It will be convenient for us to go through it. Let's list out. There are four different four values we got. So let me note down all these values here. Okay, so let's work out here. Here I have x and this is y, two variables. X coordinate Then if I choose y0, then I got the value of x2. If I have here 1, then this is 3 as a result. 2 I choose, then I got 4 as a result. And I choose here one negative value -1, so I have here 1. Clear to you? So dear student, in the next step we need to mention which points we need to locate on a graph paper. So let's see. So dear student, we need to locate 2 comma 0, 3 comma 1, 4 comma 2 and 1 comma -1 on a graph paper. Clear to you? So let's see. As we know that 2 comma 0, 0 is connected with y-axis, so this point will lie on x-axis. 3 comma 1 first quadrant, 4 comma 2 first quadrant, and 1 comma -1 it will lie in fourth quadrant. You know dear student, it is plus minus, so this point will go to the fourth quadrant. So first of all I need to draw one. I am drawing here x-axis. Okay, you can see here I am drawing horizontal line that I am calling my x-axis of the graph paper, and here I am mentioning this horizontal line x-axis and this side it is x dash axis, that is negative side. Now I am drawing y-axis here. Okay, the vertical perpendicular line that is perpendicular to x-axis. I am calling this axis vertical line y-axis. Here y and y. Okay. Now immediately after that I need to say this is origin. Now I am mentioning few points over here which is quite visible to you. Leaving one block. I am mentioning here these points. This is 1, 2, 3, 4 positive. All the way these are positive points, and this side the below x-axis it is minus. Okay, so I'm mentioning these few points here negative. Now let's start locating the point. Okay, first one is 2 comma 0. Where to locate 2 comma 0? It must lie on x-axis. 2 comma 0 I need to locate here somewhere. I'm mentioning this point is 2 comma 0. 3 comma 1. Here 3 on x-axis and 1 on y-axis. It will be here somewhere. So I need to mention along with this coordinates 3 comma 1. We need to show this also. 4 comma 2. This is 4 and of course 2 is here. 4 from x-axis and 2 from y-axis. So here it is 4 comma 2. Next 1 comma -1. 1 on x-axis and -1 it will lie in the fourth quadrant here. 1 comma minus. Got it? So my dear student, all the way you can observe all these 4 points, they lie in a same line. Okay. So let me join all these points and I am going to draw one straight line joining all the points. And dear student, this line is of what? Which equation? This line it shows equation. The equation is of x minus y equal to. So this equation x minus y equal to this graph, linear graph. It is linear graph. Okay, linear graph in two variables. So this is the solution for second part of question 1. I hope it's clear to you. So dear student, the third equation which we are given in question 1 is y equal to 3x. Okay. Now in this you can see y and x, they are two different variables. And beside that, I need to say this y equal to 3x. In that, Y is already a subject. So for the different value of X, we will find the value of Y. So let's start. Be ready. This I have. So at least four values you choose for your convenience to draw the graph. Now, as I hear, it's my desire which value I want to put. So I would like to go with 0 first. 3 multiplied by 0, you know very well 0. Don't misguide yourself. Don't write 3 here by mistake. Then 3 1 ja 3. I am choosing 2 now. 3 2 ja 6. One negative point also I am choosing -1. 3 into -1 is -3. So dear student, it's a now we need to locate this point on a graph paper. For that we need to locate this point. We have to show these points on a in a tabular form. So here you can see it is on your screen. You can see how to draw the table. So immediately after finding the value for x and y, we need to present them in a tabular form. It is very good to present this way because whatever the point we are going to locate, it will be crystal clear in our mind which point we have to locate. Here x, here it is y. The value of x, that is 0 first I am choosing. Here x value I am choosing the y 0. Here x value 1, then the value of y is 3. Here the value of x2 and value of y6, and this is -1, and here it is -3. Be careful dear student while substituting this value for which we are using here, as we are using for x, and the result we are gaining for y. So keeping everything in a mind, carefully we need to substitute the value in a tabular form. Clear to you? Now next step, what we have to do? So here I need to say we need to locate we need to locate 0 comma 0, that is origin, 1 comma 3 which lie in a first quadrant, 2 comma 6 in a first quadrant again, and -1 comma -3 it will lie in third quadrant. -1 comma -3 it will lie in a third quadrant. So let's try to locate the point. So my dear student, here I am starting locating this point on a graph paper. For that, I am choosing first here. This is my x-axis, a horizontal line. I'm mentioning here, and let me call it is x-axis. Here I am mentioning x, and this is x dash. Okay. Now, vertical line, that is I am calculating y-axis. So carefully, I am drawing one vertical line which intersects x-axis at this point, and let me call this origin O. So keeping all these things in mind, please mention everything, whatever the required details for before we draw the graph. Now we need to locate this point on a graph paper. So keeping this thing in mind, I am writing here this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Here also 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This side also negative point -1, -2, -3, -4, -5. Similarly, this point -1, -2, -3, -4, -5, -6, and so on. Now let's locate the point one by one which are required. The first point which we have to draw, which we have to mention on a graph paper is 0, comma 0. Dear student, 0, comma 0 is the origin, you know, right? These are the coordinates of origin. So we can say the graph, the line will passes from the origin. Here, 1, comma 3 must lie in a first quadrant from x-axis 1. and from y-axis it is 3. So the point will be located here somewhere 1 comma 3. 2 comma 6. 2 on x-axis and 6 will be here somewhere 2 comma 6. So I need to mention 2 comma 6 here. Then minus 1 comma minus 3. Minus 1 on x-axis and minus 3 from y-axis. So this point must lie in a fourth quadrant. Minus minus, you remember nicely, that present third quadrant. So dear student, these 4 points already we successfully located on a graph paper. Now we are going to join all these points. Okay. So here you can see on your screen, I am joining these 4 points and drawing one line here. This line is indicating of what? This line is of y equal to 3x. So let me note down, this is the graph of y equal to 3x. So here, this is the complete graph work. Along with that, location of the points also I have defined here. So complete the third question. So my dear student, here question number 1, it's a fourth equation which we are given is 3 equal to 2x plus y. Again you can see here we are having two variables, okay? Two variables x and y. So what I am going to do, if I write this side as a left side, then let me make a subject to y. Means y I am keeping there only, then I need to bring this 2x to this side, so it will become 3 minus 2x. Again I am explaining here, nothing I have done. I am keeping y here to the right side only, and I am bringing this 2x to this side, so it is become 3 minus 2x. Got it? So y equal to 3 minus 2x. Clear? Now this is a general equation in which I made a subject to y. Now for the different value of x, we will have the value of y. So let's try to solve. This is the equation, and for different value of x, so here in place of x I will insert something. Then again here 3 minus 2x, 3 minus 2. Think about which value we want to go with that. Any value which you feel comfortable to choose, you can go with that. Please note down these points. And now I am choosing the value. You can see here I would like to go with 0 first. Then 3 minus 2 into 0, 0. 3 minus 0, it will be 3. Here. Now I am choosing 1 here. So 2 1s are 2. 3 minus 2, that is 1. I am choosing 2 here. Then 2 2s are 4. But dear student, 3 minus 4, be careful, it gives the result minus 1. So nothing to worry about. Please mention minus 1. Now I am choosing here minus 1. One negative value I am preferring. So you know minus 2 into minus 1, it will be plus 2. 2 1s are 2. Minus minus plus. So 3 plus 2, that gives the result 5. Clear to you? Now, immediately after finding this value, we need to locate these in a tabular form. So let me draw one table here. I am drawing the table here. You can see on your screen. And there I am going to mention all these 4 values which we have found here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and this is x and y. Got it? So dear student, I am mentioning this x and this is y here. You will look at your screen and see here I have put the value for x. This is the value for x 0 and I got result 3. Here 1, then again I got the result 1. I choose 2, I got the result minus 1. And for the minus 1 here, I got the result 5. So dear student, this is the tabular form 0, 3, 1, 1, 2, -1, -1, 5 we need to locate on a graph paper. So let's mention it. So I need to mention we need to locate 0, 3, 1, 1, 2, -1 and -1, 5 on a graph paper. So dear student, here 0 is connected with which axis? X axis. So this point must lies on y axis. 1, 1 in first quadrant, plus minus, you know very well, fourth quadrant, and minus plus it must lie in a second quadrant. So keeping these things in our mind, we need to start drawing the graph. So my dear student, here graph paper is ready with us. Now I am drawing first of all one horizontal line. You can see I am calling x axis. This horizontal line, and this is x axis. So let me mention it here, x axis. This is x dash axis, and one vertical line also I am drawing here. So here somewhere I would like to draw so that all the required points should be covered in that, and that we call this y-axis, and this is y dash axis. Dear student, you know very well the intersecting point of both of these line is called origin. Now I'm mentioning 2 points here: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Similarly, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. This side it is -1, -2, -3, -4. Same position here: -1, -2, -3, -4, -5, and so on. Okay. Now let's locate these points. Okay. First point which we have to locate, this is 0, 3. 0, 3 must lie on y-axis. Okay. Because 0 is connected with x-axis, so I need to mention 0, 3 here. 1, 1, of course it will be in first quadrant here, 1, 1. So let me write 1, 1 here. 2, -1. 2, -1, it must lie in a fourth quadrant. Here somewhere 2 and this -1. So 2, -1. And the last point which we have taken here is -1, 5. -1 on x-axis and 5 will be on y-axis. So where it will be located? Here somewhere. -1 from x-axis and 5 will be on y-axis. So -1, 5. Got it? Now all these points 1, 2, 3, 4. All these points I am drawing. They are in a same line. We can see they lie in a same line. And now I am going to draw one line passing from all these points. So dear student, the line which I have drawn here, that is the line for this linear graph. The graph is of 3 equal to 2x plus y. This is y. The graph is 3 equal to 2x plus. So here is the solution of the fourth part of the given question. Question 1 is complete here.